Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your brand with Instagram, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, define your brand identity clearly. Identify your brand values, mission, and unique selling proposition. Develop a consistent visual style including colors, fonts, and imagery. Create a catchy and memorable username that reflects your brand. Craft a compelling bio that highlights what your brand offers. Use keywords related to your niche to improve discoverability. Start by planning your content strategy and posting schedule. Decide on the types of content you will share, like photos, videos, and stories. Use high-quality images and videos to capture attention. Incorporate storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Analyze your content performance using Instagram Insights. Experiment with different content formats and posting times. Host giveaways and contests to encourage engagement and attract new followers. Encourage user-generated content by creating a unique brand hashtag. Utilize Instagram Stories to share real-time updates and behind-the-scenes content. Leverage Instagram Reels to reach a wider audience with short, engaging videos. Maintain consistency in your posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Share testimonials and customer success stories to build trust. Track your progress and adjust your strategy based on your insights. Keep your brand message consistent across all posts and interactions. Engage with other accounts in your niche to build community. Make use of Instagram ads to reach a targeted audience. Continuously seek feedback and adapt to the needs of your audience. Stay updated with Instagram trends and features to enhance your strategy. Remember, building a brand on Instagram takes time and patience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.